Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TGGI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, the chart is still perfectly fine. There's a little bit of context and perspective that goes into that. Meaning, if you're some sort of day trader or scalper or flipper and you bought right there, or maybe you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 5 minutes. Well, then from that angle, yeah, the chart's not looking necessarily good for you. But overall, everything is still perfectly fine from the big picture point of view, just doing some consolidating. But I do want to get a level mapped out here, which I'm curious about. And this is not some sort of like great discovery on my part. I'm quite sure many people have drawn that line in there because that's just a good old fashioned trend line. And, if you're learning anything about charts, that's one of the first things you learn about. And I make all those comments because when a lot of people are drawing the same things and watching the same things and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. So my point here is that while nothing is guaranteed, it is a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that. If the price can work its way up to that trend line and again, then get the break up through there, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that in terms of areas of resistance. If the price can push up through there, then the next key level after that would then just be up there at the penny mark. But before you really put too much focus on doing, battle with the penny and breaking above there, like I said, for that first level that'll need to be broken is that downtrending trend line at that point. In terms of levels of support, nothing new here has, changed. You still have the overarching level right there, that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. And then you also have that level down there at 0065. So like I said, from that angle of things, nothing new to report. But overall, really the best way to summarize today's, price movement. It's just a day of consolidation, but it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.